Mbaka, because this video may help Ebuka to repent and retrace his steps. Okay, Ebuka must repent. That Ebuka don't seem to understand that no matter where you are today, no matter who you are, that we are all dying. I don't think he has asked himself if Mbaka dies today. We are not praying for Mbaka to die. As a matter of fact, anything that will happen to Mbaka should come and happen to me. You know why? Mbaka does not dwell in self-glorification. Mbaka is not the kind that knows how to exalt. In fact, he considers it as Madito weir. But no that na government may even Mbaka melo. And Igbo gademwa. Actually, there was one government. The biggest problem with Mbaka is how can you catch him? It's not easy. But when you finally put Mbaka, Mbaka will die every second just for you, a nobody, to live. His goodness, His goodness, but I believe any camera. Father Mbaka here na ya dey kwedi testimonies. Look at me. I have an auntie Noye. Around 2018 or 2019, Auntie Noye you will find blood on adoration. I didn't say Auntie Noye no dey exist. Auntie Noye from Utulu Okigwe. Unu chonsi agba camera. Auntie Noye ayi tule go ya je ko me fibroid operation. That time if for 200,000. Auntie Noye we call up no. Bad theater why you get look at from there to adoration. Although that day. Now so kind of and the solemn drink that day. Mbaka we no no. We be a banner. Oye Ebuka operation na ko dey kwu nwolo we bia until na we start the thing si no okpuru okwu kuria. Ko na ada. The end point of that order be toilet na as in she wants to use the toilet and nukuti ihe wano and again nukuti ihe wano until na ya bụ nwanne you carry okolo o you turu Okigwe na family okolo ha until no ye when you why we shop na chale out ebe a na-akpa isi na shop UK okolo.
Yes, I'm not that now. Some desire members, some desire ministry will not like if this woman, traditional mommy, yes, according to if you open this video, on a cover that na prophet Ebuka, evangelist Ebuka, or for Sarafanta, on with pride. Yes, according to if I'm not on a corner this video. But before I play it up on the full video, we eventually kuno kwa. Lanya na Enugu adoration grand o Farambaka. Since in the follow Farambaka online. Since in the follow online, for be munde bi anye testimony. Yes, it's not that and when miracle name at that place. There is a lot of things. There is a lot of goodness of the Lord in that place. But Farambaka did not permit testimony. But a bubble on a Zion Grand. Again, yes, I need to see evangelist Ebuka and I say officer Afanta. Yes, I need two officer Afanta. Well, my punk was to put this video. Go not up if this moment you know. Go on water that Nifon you put about 100% true. You have no good against evangelist Ebuka. 100% true. Evangelist Ebuka Makwana or Farambaka we train ya. Evangelist Ebuka we brief for potata. But today, evangelist Ebuka turn is a back to Farambaka. Kenna fokwa. Yes, since in chapter September since 21 of February 2026. Emere program emere na Enugu State. Evangelist Ebuka be in direct way na akpo Farambaka afa. Na say ulo at a lock stadium at a men kema go no in direct way na akpo afa. Why some desire members Anasị na-Elijah Enugu, na-Elijah Enugu, na-Elijah Enugu. We call ourselves Christian, but we castigate. Yes, look at a whole Christian, a whole 0 members, and akpọ Fada Mbaka Elijah Enugu. Well, enwe mmasị na-ekwuzi n'okwu a mba tụmapụ kunu tọpụ ife Mommy G.O. So the traditional Mommy G.O. kwuru gbasara Ebuka Obi. Just get into this video, but please, when you're watching this video, please don't forget to share and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Whether you want this problem to be unto death, that man that go to when no one knows your name, when you are just a Lagos coordinator, is he the one you want to quarrel with today because you have fame? The man who projected you and asked you to have fame, the man who prepared you for the future that you are living in today. I told you that Mbaka will die for you over and over again. That is the kind of heart that he has, and he lacks expression. He may not be able to express himself or say too much. Of course, he's a man of God. You don't want him to go petty. I am the one that came to social media years ago. Before I forward one picture actual crowds. The point of this video is, should we look for Mbaka today and we don't see him? What is Ebuka Obi's reaction going to be? Would he pick up the microphone and begin to talk gibberish? Or would he keep quiet? If he pick up the microphone, he will lose more than 70% of all that he is holding on to. All members. Because all of his members are Mbaka's grandchildren. If he picks up the mic, so you cannot talk when he was alive. And if he keeps quiet, you have bad mind. So Ebuka Obi, do you want it this way even unto death? Because the fact is that maybe after I drop this video, I will be passed to the beyond. By God knows what. Maybe I can sleep on this one and then I will go to the beyond. And that is the end of me. It can happen to any of us that we go to bed. Nobody promised me tomorrow. Nobody promised Ebuka Obi tomorrow. Nobody promised Mbaka tomorrow. Children, be grateful. No matter how small. Know the value. The value of help is dependent on when you were helped. Somebody can come in and give you 1 billion naira. But guess what? Where was that person 10 years ago? The value of help depends on when and how. Anybody can come through for you when you are famous. People like it when you sing their praise. Oh, the Rolls Royce. Oh, hey, America. People love it. But remember, you were nurtured. You are not a reverend father. But almost all that is due to a reverend father is all that you do. You copy the one, you didn't even select to copy 1 million. Everything. You see him singing, you went to studio. The difference is that he is gifted in his music and you aren't. So that side crashed. You copied everything. His words, his talk, his footstep. You used him to chase clouds. And as we are doing all of this, he was still sowing. He said, what did he sow? Does he have to sow money as a spiritual person? What did Elijah sow in the life of Elisha? What? What did John the Baptist sow in the life of Jesus Christ? Even though John the Baptist said, Jesus, you are bigger than me. He said, suffer it to be so. Mbaka Ebuka suffer it to be so. He continued cleansing you. And teach again. Lose that today, see if you open your mouth. Either you open your mouth and you go and say, Daddy, I am sorry. Either you open it in the lifetime, or you open it when all of